How soon can you come in? Can you come in right now? What's the earliest you could be here? Does 2:15 or 2:45 work better for you? Regardless of the word tracks that your team is using to try to get people to set appointments, if a person shows up for the appointment, there's always a psychological or emotional reason why they came in. When I ask the average salesperson or sales manager, what's the purpose of a really quality phone process or elead handling process? And they all say the same thing: set appointments. Some of them will say, set appointments that show. But there's a higher level. There's a highest quality opportunity out there. And that opportunity is called the reverse appointment. The reverse appointment is when you create a process, when you create an approach, when you have such a value proposition that the customer says, if I came in at 5 o'clock, would you be there? You see, it's when the customer wants to set the appointment with you, when they want to meet you, when they want to enter into your sales process, and ultimately when they want to buy from you. That's the reverse appointment. Not something we initiate, but something the client initiates. I'm Jonathan Dawson. I want you to join me at the Internet Sales 20 group in Miami, June 11th and 13th, where we're going to heat up the car business in Miami. At my presentation, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 simple steps that you can employ at your process and in your system so that you can create massive momentum right at the beginning with your leads. On top of that, I want to show you the 4 principles that happen in psychology that cause someone to feel connected and compelled to see you. And then finally, I'll give you 3 really simple rules to follow for you to move in your follow-up from impression-based follow-up to impact-based follow-up. Join me, Jonathan Dawson, at the Internet Sales 20 group in Miami. I'll see you there.